Here's a quick look from the Lexington Financial Center, looking off to the northwest. Birds have been out there having a big old time. I don't know if it's the ospreys or something out there, or falcons, or birds. They are flying around and having fun on this partly sunny afternoon. St. Joseph Weather Bug Camera. So let's take a look at where the rain is. It's not in Lexington at this point, but we do have some thunder showers in progress. You go into the western part of Pulaski County, it's from Nancy, then back into the southern part of Casey County, not too far from Dunville. You folks in Russell County, a quick little shower just south of Monticello. That's a pretty decent one just south of Highway 92. You get into Estill County, you folks in Irvin, you might be hearing a little thunder at this point. Heavy rain is about 6-7 miles away from Irvin. And it's coming, so you will have that downpour on the way. It's already raining lightly. It's just going to get heavier. So southern part of Clay County, there south of the Hal Rogers, you also got some rain there. Flood watch is in effect until tomorrow morning, actually through tomorrow morning, and that runs all the way from Moorhead and Lewis County in the east, along the I-64 corridor through Lexington, then continues down US 68 through Jessamine and Mercer counties. From there north, there's your flood watch. Why? Because we've got potentially some locally heavy rain, although some heavy rain may come through this evening in parts of southern Kentucky. But as we continue then through the night into tomorrow morning, watch these numbers go up in a hurry. And that'll be with some downpours coming in tomorrow morning. We could pick up another 1 to 2 inches of rain on top of what's already fallen. And with that in mind, you get a flood watch. As we always say, never, ever, ever, ever drive across a flooded road. Even if you're in the city and just going under one of those underpasses that can flood, your car can stall out in those if the rainfall is heavy enough. So again, just don't do it. Rounds of heavy tropical rain, that continues for tonight into tomorrow. But once we're past that, starting tomorrow, the last batch of the muggies is around, but it starts going away. And by the time we get you to Derby Day through the Labor Day holiday, boy, does the weather look nice. Rainfall is likely for us tomorrow morning, and then it's on the decline. Just a stray shower possible on Friday. That's mainly in the southeast. And by the time we get you to Derby Day, yeah, we took the chance. Went with that metaphysical certitude that it's not going to rain on Saturday, which is just the reason Mother Nature needs to make it rain somehow. But anyway, right now we're looking at a dry Derby. So what's going on here? Here's the big picture. Here are our weather makers. And first of all, you got a Bermuda high that's just been continuing to pump up moisture in here, and it's just coming in by the bucket load. We've got that wave of low pressure that's passed by this morning that brought our first round of rain, but now we've got the second wave that'll be coming through later on tonight and tomorrow. It's going to combine with that area of low pressure up here to the north. That will begin to pull in the cooler and drier air behind it. So what does it look like? Let's go to our dew points. That's the amount of moisture in the air. When it's in the 70s and in mid 70s, it just feels rotten when you walk out. But as we work our way from tonight into tomorrow, there you see the clock advancing. It's still muggy tomorrow, but then by Thursday night, Friday morning, how about that? When the numbers get into the 50s and 60s, the air feels a lot more comfortable. It's our first little touch of fall as we work our way through temperatures that are falling as well. So we've been watching the waves of rain coming by. This is what's coming in here for later on tonight and tomorrow. When it comes by, your rainfall will be on the increase. Your area of low pressure is scooting along the front. As it does so, showers and thunderstorms do begin to increase for us tonight. As we get into the morning hours tomorrow, there's that final wave of rain pushing through. At least the heavy rain, a few stray showers may linger into tomorrow afternoon. Then we wait for the final cold front to come in. There are your northerly winds. That is the refreshing air that will be arriving starting Friday afternoon, and that sets the stage for just some terrific weather. It is muggy now. It's also warm. Pick out your favorite town here from the Kentucky Mesonet, low in mid-80s, 85 Harrodsburg, 85 in Richmond, 83 in Owensville. Right now in Lexington, we also sit at 83 after a high today of 83. For tonight, flash flood watch, late rain and storms will be arriving. Patchy fog down to 70 tomorrow. Flash flood watch in the morning, showers and thunderstorms, locally heavy rain early. Some late day sun, we're in the low 80s. The humidity leaves Friday, setting the stage for what looks to be a pristine holiday weekend.